Imagine this, you're on vacation, ready to dive into the local cuisine, and boom, gluten sneaks into your meal like an uninvited guest. Suddenly, your dream trip turns into a stomach nightmare. But don't worry, today, I'll show you how to travel gluten-free and enjoy your journey without a care in the gluten-free world. Hi, I'm Daisy, your friendly pharmacist at HeInfo. If you have celiac disease or gluten intolerance, you already know that avoiding gluten is a daily challenge. But when you're traveling, things can get even trickier. Hidden gluten, cross-contamination, and limited food options can create unnecessary stress. In this video, I'll guide you through practical tips for traveling gluten-free, answer some common questions, and share strategies to ensure your trip is as smooth as your favorite gluten-free peanut butter. Let's dive in. 1. Research your destination. Traveling gluten-free starts long before you leave home. Researching your destination can make all the difference. Look for gluten-free friendly restaurants using apps like Find Me Gluten-Free or Google Maps. Visit local health food store websites to see what snacks they carry. Check travel blogs or gluten-free communities for first-hand tips about your destination. For added safety, learn phrases like, "I cannot eat gluten," in the local language. For instance, in Spanish, you'd say, "No puedo comer gluten." To pack your gluten-free food essentials. Always have backup snacks. This is especially important if you're traveling to places with less awareness of gluten-free diets. Here are some great options. Gluten-free granola bars and crackers. Single-serve nut butter packets. Nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Gluten-free bread or tortillas. Canned beans or fish. These are perfect for quick, easy meals. Popular question: can you bring gluten-free food on a plane? Yes. It allows most gluten-free snacks as long as they aren't liquids over 100 milliliters. Always check airport rules before packing. 3. Carry a gluten-free restaurant card. Eating out can be risky if you can't communicate your dietary needs. Carry a small card explaining your gluten-free requirements in the local language. For example, "I have celiac disease and cannot eat gluten, wheat, barley, rye. Please ensure my food is prepared safely, avoiding cross-contamination." These cards are lifesavers when language barriers arise. 4. Choose accommodations with a kitchen. Staying somewhere with a kitchenette or full kitchen gives you control over your meals. Look for Airbnbs or hotels with kitchenettes. If cooking isn't possible, at least choose accommodations with a refrigerator and microwave for easy snack prep. 5. Request gluten-free meals for flights. Many airlines offer gluten-free meals, but you need to request them at least 48 hours in advance. Confirm with the airline when booking your ticket. 6. Get a doctor's note for medical foods. If you're carrying specific gluten-free items through airport security or customs, having a doctor's note can be helpful. The note should explain your medical condition and the necessity of the foods you're carrying. 7. Be mindful of import restrictions. Some countries have strict rules about bringing food across borders, especially fresh produce or animal products. To avoid issues, stick to sealed, pre-packaged snacks and always declare your items at customs. Q. What's the best gluten-free food for traveling? The best options are lightweight, non-perishable snacks like gluten-free granola bars, nuts, dried fruit, and gluten-free crackers. Q. Can I take gluten-free food abroad? Yes. Most pre-packaged foods are allowed, but always check the specific country's import rules to avoid surprises. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you travel confidently and enjoy every gluten-free bite along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HeInfo, and share it with someone who might need these tips. Let me know in the comments your go-to gluten-free travel snacks. Any funny or challenging experiences traveling with dietary restrictions. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.